Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you always feel like you're trying to swivel and move in your office chair and it's just not happening? Well, you'll be riding in style if you go with these great office chair wheels from Office Owl. The chair wheels are a rollerblade style. These caster wheels comes with a set of 5 to easily swap out with your existing office chair wheels. I really never knew how much of a difference that it would make being able to have these wheels put on your chair as opposed to the standard ones that they come with. You don't need a mat, and as you can see, I have a rug underneath my desk and it makes it so much easier to move. Before I had the wheels, they were always catching on the rug, getting caught, and this definitely makes moving around in my chair so much easier. They were very easy to swap out. It took literally less than 10 minutes. You may be able to do the wheels just on your own, or you can add in a flathead screwdriver if you need to. That will help you to easily swap them out. These chair wheels are also really good because if you have pets, the hair will not get caught up in them, which often will hinder how easily that you can swivel on your chair. If you're looking to swivel around through your day and have a great work day, then you have to check out these chair wheels. They'll very easily help your day to be a lot more fun, and that's my point of view.